So here we are again, another paint pouring day. This is going to be a kind of a flip cup or dirty pour, call it what you will. These are the colors, and most of them are all Liquitex. In fact, I think all of them are Liquitex except for the white, Amsterdam white. And on the background's going to be kind of a combination of whites I mixed together. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll be back in a minute. All right, put some tape over this, the holes that is, and let's start filling it up. I don't know I haven't thought about what paints to put in here. I mean, what order I should say. So we'll start with that one. Okay. I got, yeah, this is it, folks. I think I'll put the white right there. Okay, why don't you? I'm going to stop this and bring it back in a second. All right, we're back. Okay, the old flip. The flip. Here we go. Whoa, run away. Run away. I think that got it. I think I better throw this cup away because it's gonna got holes in the bottom and it'll run everywhere. Let's give this a torch. Looks like you're gonna have to like purple in this bad boy. Because purple's what's coming up. Huh. And that's not usually the colors I work with, but you know, well, there's another bubble. I'll be darned. That's a big one too. Okay. Let's tip it. Don't be shy. I guess you can see what we're doing here. Bring it back. Let's go down this way. Bring it back. Huh. Let's go this way. Let's bring it back. Huh. back to the center. Okay, let's go. I guess you can see what we're doing. Let's bring it back. What do I have here? Let's have a look. I believe I have an amoeba. Or something I studied in high school under the magnifying glass. Oh, interesting. I'd like to go, I'm wiping my hands off here, I'd like to go a little bit this way. What you like and what you get to do are two different things. Boy, we got a snail space going here. Okay. I'll be darned. I don't know what I've got here. Yeah, let me blow it or torch it. What a crazy picture. You know what I'm going to do? Because I don't have anything to loot. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I have a bunch on my hands. Ooh, nasty. Okay. Very, very interesting. I think I just may blow this a little bit. So, what a heck. Let's blow it a little bit. Let's blow this up here. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to look at that for a minute, see what happens, see what it develops into. Actually blowing it added some dynamic action to it. I love action. I got some lacing going on. And some bubbles going on. This is quite interesting, the outcome. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off for a minute and see what happens. I'll be back shortly. Okay, here you are, or here I am. Little close up. I actually think it's going to probably hang with this side being the bottom, the way I'm looking at it. My lighting in my room today virtually sucks because the painting is a lot brighter than this is letting on to with my filming here. But I had some interesting activity with the paint, I think. And blowing it was just what it needed with the blower. So this is a dirty flip cup Dutch pour, blow. Yeah, you can't hold a creative artist down. You're always thinking of different things to do, which makes this a fun art form. Anyway, let it sit for a while and let it percolate a little bit more. And we will come back and take some still shots, get some better lighting, And we'll call this a wrap, and thanks for watching. This is Richard B. saying, see you next time.